Top 3. Best types of rice for people with diabetes. Have you ever thought that a simple bowl of rice could be the hidden reason behind your blood sugar spikes? For those living with diabetes, eating rice isn't just about filling your stomach. It's about making the right choice to keep your glucose levels stable. Some types of rice act like a silent roller coaster, sending your blood sugar soaring without warning. But the good news is, others can help keep things steady, fueling your body without the dangerous spikes. So the real question is, how do you know which rice is safe? Let's uncover the truth behind rice and diabetes, and explore 3 types of rice that are not only safe, but also nutritious, delicious, and diabetes-friendly. A small change in your daily choice could lead to a big step forward in your health journey. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below sharing what type of rice you usually eat. Your story might just inspire someone else who's on the same path. 1. Black rice, the dark gem for blood sugar control. If you're used to eating white rice every day, here's something to consider. For people with diabetes, the type of rice you choose can make a huge difference. And black rice, with its deep purple hue, stands out as one of the best choices. 1 cooked cup of black rice contains nearly 5 g of fiber and 6 g of protein, both of which help slow down sugar absorption, keep you full longer, and provide steady energy after meals. With a low glycemic index, around 42 to 50, and low glycemic load, it's a natural way to manage blood glucose without spikes. What makes black rice truly special is its high level of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants also found in blueberries. These help reduce inflammation, protect the heart, and guard against diabetes-related complications. Plus, it's packed with magnesium, B vitamins, iron, and zinc, all vital for metabolism, immunity, and insulin sensitivity. Black rice also contains resistant starch, which feeds good gut bacteria and improves digestion. Quick tip: cook it, let it cool overnight, and reheat to boost resistant starch content even more. Ideal portion: half a cup of cooked black rice paired with leafy greens, lean protein like chicken or tofu, and healthy fats makes for a balanced, blood sugar-friendly meal. Serving ideas: try black rice with grilled chicken and avocado, stir-fried with veggies and tofu, or added to hearty herbal soups. Note: avoid pre-packaged black rice with added salt, sugar, or preservatives. Always go for pure, organic, home-cooked black rice for the best results. 2. Wild rice, the silent warrior for diabetes control. Wild rice isn't just another grain. It's a powerful alternative to white rice, especially for those managing diabetes. With a low glycemic index, around 45 to 50, and low glycemic load, it helps prevent blood sugar spikes while keeping your energy levels steady. 1 cooked cup provides about 3 g of fiber and 6.5 g of protein, which slow down sugar absorption, keep you full longer, and support better blood sugar balance. Wild rice is also rich in magnesium, 52 milligaules per cup, a mineral that enhances insulin sensitivity. Since magnesium deficiency is common in people with diabetes, wild rice is a smart, natural way to replenish it. Even better, it's loaded with polyphenols and antioxidants, helping to reduce inflammation, support heart health, and protect against diabetes complications. Plus, it delivers key nutrients like B vitamins, manganese, zinc, and phosphorus, great for brain function, bone strength, and immunity. Another bonus? Wild rice contains resistant starch, a fiber-like compound that feeds healthy gut bacteria and improves digestion. Quick tip: cook it, chill it overnight, then reheat. It's an easy way to increase resistant starch naturally. Ideal portion: half a cup of cooked wild rice, paired with leafy greens and lean protein like fish, chicken, or tofu, makes for a blood sugar-friendly, balanced meal. Meal ideas. Try a wild rice salad with greens and lemon vinaigrette, or a warm soup with lentils and veggies. You can even mix it with quinoa for an extra fiber boost. Heads up. Skip processed wild rice blends with added salt, sugar, or preservatives. Always go for pure, organic, home-cooked wild rice for the healthiest results. 3. Wild rice. A smart carb for steady blood sugar. Wild rice is more than just a grain. It's a powerful ally for anyone managing diabetes. With a low glycemic index, 45-50, and low glycemic load, it helps avoid blood sugar spikes while keeping energy levels stable. Each cooked cup packs 3 g of fiber and 6.5 genes of protein, which slow digestion, support satiety, and improve glucose control. It's also a great source of magnesium, 52 mg, a key mineral for insulin sensitivity that many with diabetes lack. Wild rice shines with its antioxidants and polyphenols, known for reducing inflammation, protecting the heart, and lowering the risk of complications. Add in B vitamins, manganese, zinc, and phosphorus, and you've got a grain that fuels both body and brain. It even contains resistant starch, a gut-friendly carb that aids digestion and stabilizes blood sugar. Tip: cook, chill overnight, then reheat to increase resistant starch naturally. Serving idea: half a cup cooked, paired with greens and lean protein like chicken, fish, or tofu. Try it in salads, hearty soups, or mix it with quinoa for extra fiber. Skip processed wild rice mixes with additives. Go for pure, organic, home-cooked wild rice to get the full benefits. The worst types of rice for people with diabetes. What to avoid. Not all rice is created equal, especially when you're trying to manage blood sugar. Here are some types of rice that people with diabetes should limit or avoid altogether. White rice may be the most common, but it's far from ideal. It's been highly processed, stripping away most of its fiber and nutrients. With a very high glycemic index, around 70 to 90, it causes rapid blood sugar spikes followed by crashes, leaving you tired, hungry, and out of balance. It also lacks magnesium, B vitamins, and other essential nutrients. Sticky rice, or glutinous rice, while delicious in sushi or desserts, is a major blood sugar trigger. It digests quickly and has an extremely high GI, around 90, leading to sharp glucose spikes. Despite its taste, it's best avoided by anyone with blood sugar concerns. Instant rice and flavored rice packets may seem convenient, but they often contain hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, high sodium, preservatives, and even corn syrup. These additives not only disrupt blood sugar control, but can also strain your heart, liver, and overall health. Bottom line, choose whole, minimally processed, natural rice varieties that you cook at home. Managing diabetes starts with small, smart choices, like the rice you put on your plate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, science-backed tips to manage diabetes. Got a go-to rice you love? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you think this could help someone you care about, share it with them. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care and stay healthy.